How to recover or reset password in Facebook Lite app. So if you want to reset or recover your password in Facebook Lite, then first of all install the Facebook Lite application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, open up your Facebook Lite, and under login you have to enter your mobile number and your email address, and after entering that you have to enter your password and login. But if you don't remember your password and if you want to reset your password, then you have to tap on forgot password, and then you have to enter your phone number by which you have created your account, so that Facebook Lite can find your account. So you can also search by your email or your name instead of your phone number. For that you can simply tap on search by your email or name instead, and then here you have to enter your email or your full name. So let's enter a mail, and after entering that simply tap on search. Now you don't remember your password, right? So for that tap on try another way, and here tap on continue, and Facebook will send a code to your email which you have just entered. So simply enter the code which you have received on your email address, and after entering the code tap on continue, and from here you can enter a new password and you can tap on change password. So that's it guys, that's how you reset or recover your password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.